Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation and deflation, because the chaotic part of this is, and it's ripping through the markets now. A lot of traditional industries and companies, being brought, the whole SaaS space, the disaster, as they're calling it. We think there is merit to that particular one, but I think you're going to see disruption all over the place. Because the 5 innovation platforms that I mentioned are going to disrupt the existing world order. And what does that mean? If these technologies are so deflationary, it's going to be tough for the traditional world that's gotten used to sort of the 2 to 3% inflation, to adjust. They'll have to embrace some of these technologies faster than expected. So the idea of counterparty risk, I think, is beginning to surface. We've seen it with First Brands. We've seen, private equity and private credit, especially, is where there have been a lot of excesses. SaaS, they are too exposed to that. Are we going to see counterparty risk manifest more broadly? If so, Bitcoin doesn't have that problem, and so it is a good hedge against deflation as well as inflation. So it's a risk and an opportunity. So there's bad deflation and good deflation. If you look at the government measures, they will tell you today we're kind of stuck in this 2 to 3% range. If you look at a more modern indicator, Trueflation, I think you feature it as well, Anthony. I don't know if I should call you Pump or Anthony, but anyway.
Call me a Cathie fanboy.
Oh, you're funny. Thank you. So Trueflation is down to 0.8%. And so it too was stuck in that 2 to 3% range. It is resolving to the downside.